Make tea in the sink, and you'll definitely surprise your mother-in-law and your other guests. Plug the drain and drop in about 20 regular tea bags. Then pour hot water over them and wait a few minutes until the brew becomes strong and fully infused. During this time, the tea releases all its aroma and color, creating a rich base. Once it's ready, add some cold tap water to bring it to a perfect drinking temperature. If you prefer a milder taste, add milk and stir well, so everything blends together. Finally, add about 3 tablespoons of sugar or more, and mix again until the drink is evenly sweet. Now just scoop the tea with a mug and serve it to your guests. It's a simple way to prepare a large amount of tea at once without constantly brewing new batches. It works great for family gatherings, parties, or when you have a lot of friends over. This way, everyone gets a hot drink at the same time, and you save a lot of time and effort. With this one product, your windows will shine for a long time. Instead of spending a lot of money on expensive cleaners, you can make your own homemade window cleaning solution that costs almost nothing. Take a large cup and fill it with regular black tea. This type of tea contains tannins that help dissolve dirt and leave no streaks. Pour in warm water and wait for it to steep well, then let it cool. Once brewed, remove the tea bags. Pour the mixture into a larger container. Add the juice of half a lemon, which will help dissolve dirt and give the glass a shine. Then add about 10 fluid ounces of water to dilute it. Prepare a spray bottle with a sprayer. Now pour the mixture into the bottle, close it, and shake. Simply spray the solution on the glass and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, which will collect all the dirt and excess liquid. Finally, wipe the surface with a dry, preferably paper towel, to avoid streaks and achieve a perfect shine. Your windows will be perfectly clean and gleaming from every side. If you want to know how to get a shine on your windows, this trick will make them look brand new. I take one ingredient from the kitchen and add it to my floor cleaning water. The floor shines like never before. If you're into DIY floor cleaning and you're tired of streaks, dust, and shoe marks that seem to appear out of nowhere, especially in the kitchen or hallway, this trick is for you. Grab a glass and drop in 3 black tea bags. Pour boiling water over them and let it steep for a few minutes so the tea gets really strong. Then let it cool down so you can safely add it to a bucket. Pour the tea into the bucket, add about 1 quart of water and stir. Dip your mop into the mixture, then wring it out well. Mop the floors as usual, slowly and without rushing, so you pick up all the dust and dirt from the surface. If you're wondering how to mop without streaks and how to get rid of streaks on the floor, black tea is the best solution. It works as a natural floor polish because it contains tannins, which gently smooth the surface and make streaks much less visible. Your floor looks fresher and more polished faster. In a moment, you'll see it's clean with a subtle shine, like after a deep clean, but without harsh chemicals. It's a simple trick for a glossy floor, perfect when you want to refresh your whole home quickly and get that wow effect. Water your Christmas cactus with this, and it will bloom like never before. It will push out one bud after another. Your Christmas cactus can reward you with long, abundant flowering if you give it simple, at-home care. Black tea contains tannins, potassium, and magnesium, elements that support healthy plant growth, improve the soil condition, and boost blooming. Place 1 black tea bag in a glass and pour over hot but not boiling water, so the brew infuses gently and keeps its properties. Let it cool completely, then pour it into a tall container and add about 20 fluid ounces of water to create a mild plant solution. It's important not to make it too strong, since a high concentration could harm the plant. 1 glass of strong tea is enough as the base. Use this solution every 2 weeks so your Christmas cactus grows well and blooms beautifully. If you prepare a larger batch, pour it into a glass container and store it for the next waterings. With this simple method, your Christmas cactus will reward you with long, intense flowering that brings more color and holiday atmosphere into your home. Just a small handful is enough to help your orchid thrive. Even weak orchids will bloom easily all year long with this amazing natural fertilizer. Start by preparing a jar. Add 3 teaspoons of tea leaves, then pour in half a liter of boiled water. Close the jar and let the tea cool for a few hours, covering it with a towel. The next day, open the jar and stir the contents well. Strain the liquid through a fine sieve to remove excess leaves. Dilute the fertilizer by adding 2 liters of water, then mix in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now soak a cotton pad in the mixture and gently wipe the orchid leaves. This treatment provides essential nutrients and creates a protective barrier against pests. Your orchids will look beautiful and healthy thanks to this natural method. This is how jewelers clean silver, but they'll never tell you. It involves several reactions that simply remove years of grime and restore the silver to its original shine. Prepare a large pan. Pour in about 2 cups of water, then bring it to a boil. Add 2 tablespoons of black tea. Its natural tannins help dissolve dirt and bring back the metal's former luster, while also giving it a subtle freshness. Add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid, which will help remove greasy residues, dust, and other impurities, ensuring a deeper clean. Cut 1 lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the pan. The natural citric acid will brighten the silver and remove dark tarnish. Now, add a piece of aluminum foil, which, when combined with hot water and lemon, will transfer the dirt from the jewelry to the foil, speeding up the cleaning process. Place the silver jewelry into the pan and cook for 5 minutes to reach every spot. Pour everything into a bowl and let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the cleaning process to complete on its own. Then, remove the jewelry and gently rub its surface with the remaining lemon, bringing out the final shine. Lastly, add 1 denture cleaning tablet. Scrub every detail with a toothbrush and rinse with water. Admire how your silver regains its original, dazzling appearance. The jewelry gleams as if it just left the display case in an exclusive jewelry store. You can make this simple drink with just 3 natural ingredients. No artificial additives, no chemicals. Start by grabbing a medium-sized pot. First ingredient, cucumber. It's naturally hydrating and contains silica, sulfur, and antioxidants. Slice the cucumber and add it to the pot. Then toss in a handful of hibiscus blend. It gives the drink a vibrant color and a bold, slightly tangy flavor that pairs beautifully with the other ingredients. The third ingredient is lime, a great source of vitamin C. Slice it up and add it to the pot as well. Pour in about a quart of water and let everything simmer for around 15 minutes. As it cooks, the ingredients will release their full flavor and aroma. Once done, strain the liquid through a sieve. Pour it into a glass. You can serve it warm or chilled over ice. Just 1 glass a day is enough to enjoy a refreshing, fruity taste. It'll leave you feeling lighter and more energized.